Najhitreje rastoči avtomobilski razred v Evropi so trenutno mali SUV-ji. Zato ni nič nenavadnega, da se avtomobilskim znamkam vanj zelo mudi. Tudi Kii, ki bo v tem razredu nastopala s Stonicom. Da si tehnično osnovo deli z malim Riotom, poleg še nekaterih osnovnih oblikovnih lastnosti, pa je to tudi v glavnem vse, kar povezuje majhna avtomobila. Ko torej pri Kii govorijo o Stonicu, raje izhajajo iz svoje uspešnice, večjega križanca Sportiča. Kot pravijo, bi Sportič lahko označili kot tigra v svojem razredu. Za Stonic pa v šali pravijo, da bo v svojem razredu igral vlogo privlačnega tigrčka, ki se rad našminka po svoje. Personalizacija je namreč pri Stonicu izrednega pomena.
Our objective is to be recognised as a brand that offers great products in all of the core segments in the European market. And what we've seen in the last few years is this segment is a booming part of the market. So this is an opportunity for us to become one of our flagship models in Europe. We think it can become one of our biggest sellers.
Kiinega evropskega direktorja smo vprašali tudi, kako bo Stonic vplival na ostale avtomobilske razrede.
We think most of the sales will come from conquest customers that we wouldn't be attracting to Kia without a product like this. We don't see it necessarily, let's say, cannibalising from the B segment car we have already with Rio or our existing crossover cars, the Nero or the Sportage. We think that we're going to attract that new customer, so it gives us an opportunity to bring new customers to the Kia brand. But of course also as customers change their requirements, we want to be able to keep our existing customers also in the brand.
In kako se bo po Kiinih pričakovanjih razvijal avtomobilski trg? Bodo mali SUV nadomestili majhne avtomobile?
This is a fast-growing segment, and we think it will account for around 1 in 10 of all cars sold in the next 3 or 4 years will be in this segment. But still the biggest segment in the European market is the B segment hatch. So there's still a very strong demand from consumers who don't necessarily want the higher seating position, the more rugged styling of a crossover. There are still many customers who want the traditional, if that's the right word, but the more conventional city car. So I don't think that the segments will disappear. Not everyone is moving to crossover style.
In zakaj so majhni križanci postali zanimivi šele zdaj, ko so pravzaprav zadnji avtomobilski razred, ki je doživel preobrazbo?
The real boom was in the C segment crossover vehicles, the sports utility vehicles, so products like the Sportage, where people were really looking for four-wheel drive. It was really almost I wouldn't say a need, but that's where the segment started. And then of course the styling of those vehicles became very attractive as people look for this differentiation, look for something to be a bit unique. And I think it then becomes a natural progression to then, introduce those in the smaller segments, but not for necessarily the real need. So for example, this car is not a four-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive segment of this market is very small, but it's actually, again, about that appearance, about that style, about that urban sort of design of the car. So that's why it's come into the smaller segments.